T's and G's always bind with C's kind of solved a big question in biology, how we duplicate our DNA. How, when a cell divides and you copy the genetic information, how in the world does that happen? It happens because one strand can serve as a template for the other. The information in one is always present in complementary form in the other. So let's say this is our double-stranded DNA. Our chromosome is undergoing duplication because this cell is going to divide pretty soon. It needs to have a second copy of this strand. All it has to do is open it up, and here is one strand. There's A, T, G, so on. And it starts building a new strand. Let's say the new strand is this blue one. The machinery comes along here, the machinery being DNA polymerase. That enzyme comes here, and it sees a lone T. Well, the only thing it can add to it is one little hydrogen bond to it. So the A will be the next one added. The fact that there's a G here says the one after that should be a C. This one should be an A because of the base pairing rules. This next one added up here would always have to be a T. So it kind of calls out for the enzyme what to add next. And the same thing's happening on the other strand. So from one double helix, you end up with two double helix. It's kind of automatically, the template is built in. That's why biochemists are always focused on structure of things. The structure itself, in this case, gave a clue as to how this process of gene replication happens. It became obvious that just by separating them, you have a template. So that solved a major problem. So the sequences of these opposing strands are running in opposite orientations, 5' and 3', in an antiparallel way. A's to T's, G's to C's, holding them together. You can talk about the sequence of this strand as being complementary to the sequence of that strand. The sequences aren't identical, they're complementary using this ATGC complementarity system. So this is how a stretch of double helical DNA would look just in terms of sequence. You can look across and see, across from every C there's a G, across from every A there's a T. But notice that there are antiparallel ones.